Hello. Hi, chickie. Good boy. Good boy. How's your food? How's your food? Hello. Can you jump up? Thank you. Good boy. Just stay right there. Over there, right there. Good boy. Hello, little one. Come down. Come down. Don't fall off. There's other cockatoos up in the tree, but my resolution isn't high enough to be able to capture them. I don't know if the sensors will be able to pick them out of the tree. Tell you what, I'll use a circle so I can get. I'm gonna go get the highest temperature in the tree, maybe. Maybe. Hey, we got some galahs visiting us. Hello, galahs. Chick choking, chick broken, chick choking. Your brain is broken. And there's our galahs again up on the roof. I can't get a better view of them right now, but here they come. Here comes another cockatoo in. Sorry about the refresh rate. And we got a family of galahs up here. Sitting on my neighbor's roof waiting for some more food. And the galahs are up here with curiosity. Hello. Big chickadee choking. There we go. Hello. Mr. Galah, hello. Hello. Come down. Come down with your friend. Come down with your friend. They always love to show off when they land. They always land like a ballet princess. Come on. There you go. Sorry, I don't have a tripod, folks. All I got is my arm. And a piece of an angle iron on my shed. And off they go.